everyone. You're in the karma zone. Watch as thieves target the wrong house and discover the homeowners are far tougher than they ever expected. One dumb thief plus one bad decision equals
did you drop the
instant
gun?
regret. Let's dive in. To give the thief a proper welcome, the homeowner prepared a little gift. Next time, the present might be even more generous.
Bro, you're better than me. I'd let him in.
They kicked off their criminal career with a literal fireworks show. This is probably the most memorable grand opening these two idiots will ever have.
Bro, what is that door made of? Yep. Just like that. Yeah, guys, but you have to be very careful, specifically having to fire through a door, specifically in like an apartment type of complex, because depending on the caliber of bullet, you do actually have the ability to kind of go through the overall concrete that's outside of this structure here. And the door is just going to be like butter. So very careful, but I understand. I get it. I get it. But that's why like a home defense shotgun with like bird shot is probably a better option, because you can at least pepper the person, get him out to protect yourself, if that makes any sense here, while not actually puncturing the walls of the apartment complex. But you know what, because listen, bro, you are responsible for all the bullets you're throwing outside your door. But either way, live your life.
Let this be a reminder, folks.
This is that
lock your
guy
doors,
with the burner.
or you might end up like this. This thief couldn't tell what's real and what's fake. He even tried stealing a bike that was literally just a frame.
Yep. Wait. Is it him? Yeah, that's him.
Get out of here, right now.
Yeah, it's not a toy gun.
Now.
It's a burner.
Right now.
With a Y. Spelt with a Y.
You got 5 seconds.
Famous video.
It's coming up.
I think the brand even shared this video.
You've got 3 seconds. Leave. Now.
Hold on. What is this?
He was just driving along when greed kicked in.
Okay.
The guy stopped his car, walked right up, and grabbed the package like it was nothing. Everything seemed smooth. Until, boom! Instant porch pirate karma.
Show it to me. Oh, he just slipped. I thought it was one of those bait boxes. Hey guys, behind you.
Everyone dreams of seeing Spider-Man in real life. Well, today's your lucky day he's here. Just without the suit.
I love that for them. I love that a lot for them, actually. Yeah. What was this, the German Shepherd? It's the German Shepherd video. Please be the German Shepherd
gift
video.
For anyone who thinks they can mess with someone else's
It's a
stuff.
German Shepherd video.
This porch pirate had no idea that his smooth start was just a setup. The cops were already waiting for him.
Well, and I'm supposed to feel bad for this person. Am I? Sometimes I question myself.
Excuses never fool justice. That's exactly why this
He had,
guy
like, the
didn't just
perfect
fail.
size
He got
bag.
hit with instant karma.
Oh. Right. Yeah. Right. He will learn. He's learning today. He's learning right now. This is a lesson being taught to him. Yep. It's the guy who loses his pants.
This has to be the most dedicated thief I've ever seen. He's running, changing
Hey,
clothes,
bro, at least it
mid-escape, climbing fences, flipping around, basically putting on a whole acrobatic show for the neighbors and the cops.
At least it didn't go through his skin, guys. Oh no. It seems like they it seems like what they did here, specifically here at least, is that they compiled like some of the most famous of them. I think this is what's happening. Hey bro, at least he has underpants on. This is embarrassing.
A thief driving a whole car just to steal stuff kinda makes you wonder, is he really that poor?
Driving a... Oh, dude. Pull your pants up, number one.
You really have to choose your partners wisely. Bad teamwork can lead to some pretty ugly outcomes in any situation. Or maybe she was just facing the consequences of her own bad decisions. The guy freaked out for no reason. The homeowner just shouted, didn't even plan to do anything. It looked more like he was herding a panicked chicken than dealing with a real confrontation.
Bro is barking.
Hi. 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 I want my
Can you put my package down?
This porch pirate hit the same house twice. Did she really start thinking it was her own place?
I think so.
Reality woke her up real quick.
That's fine. Yeah. When you bring back those packages you stole on Saturday, there's 2 of them. I didn't take no packages. I had to squeeze it. Do you want me to call Steve?
But yet you're holding her packages today. Like, do you really think you're a trustworthy source of information?
Oh, I'm happy to call the police. I want my packages back. Why are you out here taking these packages? I'm not taking it. I have to switch it because that's my job.
That's your job? Take
Yeah.
packages?
I think you do. You're on my porch taking my packages. I'm not taking packages. I have to switch it because sometimes they make a mistake. Oh, who made a mistake? You work for FedEx? Yeah. Or UPS. Yeah. Okay. So what are you switching? Do you want to give me my other packages? No, those packages were not yours, ma'am. These are mine. I know those are yours. I have to check the name.
She believes that she's right, guys.
What do you work for?
The level of audacity.
I'm not gonna tell you that.
Oh,
You're a thief.
but you're on her property?
I just want you to give me my package back. I don't have it. No, you do, because I saw you on my porch. I don't have them. I saw you on my ring, on my porch. No.
The audacity of that, guys.
This porch pirate clearly hasn't kept up with modern tech, so the camera decided to give him a little update. Looks like luck was on the side of the good guys because that thief got caught the moment the spotlight hit him.
Welcome, Viper.
A free cleaning service courtesy of the thief himself.
I want to move those bottles. There's some stuff right by the bottles. You might want to. I don't give a fuck. It could be mine. I don't care. You came into my house. Hey, you wanted to break into my house. Keep going, bro.
Did he break into your house to clean it? Well, you're forcing him to clean it. Respect.
That juicy prize the thief was after instantly turned bitter the moment the sirens showed up, along with a pair of handcuffs. Nobody wants an uninvited guest showing up in the middle of the night, but this homeowner got 2 of them at 1 a.m. Talk about unlucky. He barely said a word before both of them bolted.
Because obviously they know you see them now. Jeez, dudes. Like some car thievery?
He didn't even get the chance to escape before a soda bottle sniper jumped into action from the balcony, so serious about the mission that even the thief got scared.
Wanna try and get in the car again?
Yeah, but he still got away with your car. Jesus. Yeah, guys, I wouldn't call that last one any type of like instant karma, guys. I wouldn't call it that. That didn't feel like instant karma, bro. Because he still got away with the actual product.
Good thing the car door opened, otherwise he would have been stuck inside. Next time, he might not get that lucky.
No, not enough. It needs to be more. Did you throw a table at the... Okay. It's the guy who dropped his gun.
This guy needs a refresher course in basic morals, plus maybe check if his hands are greasy, and if his belt is actually tightened before leaving the house. A medic's job is to save people, but instead, this jerk chose to snatch money from an elderly person who needed help.
Jeez,
Someone
dude.
really needs to deal with him.
Oh yeah, immediately. And luckily it was on camera. So how are you gonna... What are you gonna say here now, bro? You're gonna get fired.
The story took a sharp turn into pure nonsense when the thieves pulled out a device and tried hacking the security system through the headlight. And just as you'd expect, that zero IQ plan backfired the very second they started.
Like it just so happened the cops were there, or was that a setup?
This porch pirate was so sure the homeowner wasn't around that he completely ignored how tight this neighborhood is. And of course, the result was predictable. Local police just got a little extra work. When he opens it,
hey, bro,
the thief is...
Like, you know, the box looks like it's taped up with duct tape, right? So that means most likely whatever you think inside of it is inside of it is not what's actually inside of it. So, okay.
Probably gonna
hope something terrible happens to you.
Scream, realizing he did all that for nothing, while the homeowner's over here thanking him for taking out the trash.
Oh, it's a trash box? Oh, that's even better.
And now what? As long as the stuff is safe, there's really no need to punish anyone.
No, they still need some punishment because it's audacity. It's the audacity of things, guys.
Disasters always hit when thieves least expect it, and it's usually the thing that ends up breaking their whole operation apart. These two robbers got a full dose of instant justice. They walked in all tough and fearless, but crawled out looking absolutely pathetic.
Where's the other one at? Where's the other one at, though, guys?
Oh man, what a jump scare.
Guys, I need some of these to be a little bit more karma-oriented, like heavy responses to their criminality,
The
guys.
thief's plan was this close to working until a hero in boxers showed up and ruined everything. The unlucky thief didn't hesitate. He chose to run for his life. Stick around, because the next clip proves that karma always hits harder than anyone expects.
Okay.
If you want more real moments like this, hit subscribe and stay with us for the next shocking twist.
Okay, guys, I'm telling you, all right, I need at least 20,000% more of a response to every single one of these criminals, guys. All right. I'm sorry. All right. No, I'm not sorry. The criminals. All right. That's it. More. Nothing happened that was enough for the actions that they were doing. You were allowing people to take your cars, right? People were breaking into your houses, and you left one inside while you dealt with the other one. Guys, it's a problem here, bro. Right? More, and I mean 100%, 20,000% potentially. Let's just stop at 100 because that's enough generally. You get my gist, right? 100% more absolute damage to these absolute deviants, guys. Guys, do you want to watch movies with me? I never actually thought to like promote it over here, guys. But if you guys do want to watch it, guys, we have hundreds of movies, and I mean hundreds of movies that we've reacted to. You guys can come watch them with me if you want to, along with many TV shows. Currently, we're working on the show Dexter, along with Vikings, and we have a lot of series that are already completed. But if you guys do want to watch it with me, the link is in the description. Everything's available at the second tier. But of course, if that's not your thing, guys, don't worry. Right? Listen, like and subscribe.